Ready to save over 5 grand without giving up your life? No extra job, no fancy spreadsheet, just a $0 budget plan that takes 10 minutes on Sundays and keep your lifestyle intact. If you've ever said, I make decent money, so where is it going? This is for you. In the next few minutes, you'll get a simple $0 plan, 5 rules that keep you from quitting, and 2 sneaky tricks that accelerate your savings. Stay through rule number 5, the weird one that captures the most money. You're probably doing the normal thing, paying bills, tapping your card for tiny stuff, telling yourself you'd save what's left. But there was never anything left. If money disappears by month end, the issue isn't you, it's the lack of a plan. So, what's the fix? Build a plan that forces your money to hit zero on paper before the month even starts. That's a zero-based budget. It sounds fancy, but it's ridiculously simple and it works fast. It is also very effective. Here's the plan in one sentence. Before the month starts, you give every dollar a job: bills, food, fun, savings, until your plan hits exactly $0. And then you automate everything you can so you don't have to be disciplined 30 days in a row. Let me give you some suggested steps to follow. Step 1, make a 10-minute money map. Open your Notes app and make 4 boxes. Box 1, income. Box 2, musts. Think of rent, utilities, minimum debt payments, transportation, groceries. Box 3, wants, eating out, subscriptions, shopping, fun activities. Box 4, savings or extra debt payments. Next, add up your after-tax income. Now total your musts. Copy your actual bills. Don't guess. For groceries, pick a realistic number for you, not your fantasy self who meal preps every Sunday. Set a realistic number for wants, such as eating out, subscriptions, shopping, fun. Whatever remains goes to savings or extra debt. Let's look at a sample scenario. Assuming income of $3,800, musts $2,150, wants $650, savings, debt $1,000. Add all these together, the plan total equals $3,800. This leaves us with $0 on paper. That is, our income of $3,800 minus the plan total of $3,800 leaves us with $0. If the plan doesn't hit zero, adjust categories until it does. That's the whole trick. Step 2, use 3 automations to do the heavy lifting. Automation is why this works fast, even if you have low willpower. Set 3 automations. First, auto transfer your savings the day you get paid. Make it leave before you see it. For example, send $500 each paycheck into a high yield savings labeled emergency plus big wins. Second, auto pay your fixed bills from a dedicated bills account. If anxious about cash flow, set auto pay to minimums and send extras manually. Third, set an auto sweep. This is my favorite. Set a daily or weekly transfer that sweeps whatever is above a certain amount in your checking into savings. For example, set it to sweep anything above $1,000 every Friday. So if accidental leftovers pile up, they get captured. Step 3, do a 7-day money freeze. Pattern interrupt. Before you try to budget harder, do this. A 7-day money freeze. It's not a no-spend month. It's 1 week where you spend only on musts you already planned. No casual Amazon, no random Starbucks. Why? Because you need one quick win and a pattern interrupt. Delete one-click payment method, move shopping apps off your home screen, and turn off Save Card in your browser. In 1 week, you'll be amazed how much cash you'll free up without feeling like you're suffering. Step 4, the weekly 10-minute reset. Every Sunday, 10 minutes. That's it. Check 3 numbers. How much left in groceries, how much left in fun, and how much got swept into savings. Then make 2 tiny adjustments. 1 swap, 1 plan. A swap is we're $20 short in groceries, so I move $20 from fun. A plan is this week I'm packing lunch 3 days. This tiny meeting is what keeps your plan real. No guilt, just data and tweaks. The 5 rules that keep you from quitting. Here are the 5 rules that make this stick. And rule number 5 is the weird one that saved me the most. Rule 1, name your dollars, not your dreams. Don't budget savings. Budget emergency $500, vacation $200, new tires $75. Naming kills ambiguity and prevents surprise expenses. Rule 2, zero means zero on paper. In real life, it's flexible. You can move money between categories anytime. You're the boss, just keep the plan at $0. Rule 3, reward the behavior, not the outcome. If you complete your 7-day freeze, allow one planned treat under $10. That reinforcement keeps the habit alive longer than punishing yourself when you slip. Rule 4, shrink the world. Add small friction to expensive defaults. Put the main card deeper in the wallet or zippered pocket. Those 3 seconds of friction prevent dozens of impulse taps. Rule 5, the weird one, use a $20 impulse tax. When an urge to buy something under $20 hits, pause and transfer $20 to a savings bucket named impulse tax. If the item is still wanted after 48 hours, buy it from fun money. Most urges fade and the impulse tax piles up fast. Next, let's discuss the 2 sneaky tricks that build most of the $5,000. You ready? Trick 1, run a bill chop week. Contact 5 companies: home internet, mobile phone, car insurance, streaming bundle, and a credit card issuer. Lead with comparing rates. What is the best plan or loyalty pricing available? If you shave $86 a month in 30 minutes, that's $1,032 a year for one coffee's worth of effort. Realistically, target $50 to $100 per month saved in under an hour. Trick 2, create cash-only islands. Choose 2 problem categories. Eating out and fun are common for most people, and move them to cash envelopes for 1 month. Physically watching 20s leave your hand hits different and prevents overspend. Here's how this added up to $5,000 fast. Example tally. Here's a realistic 10-week stack using the earlier example. Automated savings, $1,000 per month, about $2,500 over 10 weeks. Auto sweep plus $20 impulse tax, roughly $800. Bill chop week, about $215 saved during the period. 7-day freeze plus cash only islands, around $700. Selling 3 unused items: old bike, spare monitor, unused camera lens, around $900. Total just over $5,100. Now let's talk about your copy paste mini plan. Do this today. Name your next paycheck Operation Zero. Before it hits, assign dollars in this order: musts, groceries, transportation, minimum debts, fun, savings. Set the auto transfer to savings for the day you're paid. Set an auto sweep for Fridays above your comfort floor. Start a 7-day money freeze tomorrow. Schedule your first 10-minute Sunday reset with a calendar reminder. Pick 2 cash-only islands for 1 month. Decide a number for the impulse tax: $10, $20, whatever makes you think. And there you are, you just built a system. Remember, you don't need a raise to feel rich. You need a plan that makes your money behave. You've got this. I'm cheering for you. If you got value out of this, hit like so more people can find it, and subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down the 3 bank accounts that make this even easier and keep you from accidentally spending your rent. Drop the $0 plan in the comments if you're ready to get your finances under control.